In this video, I'm going to show you how to add words in CapCut step by step so you can quickly put text onto your video and make it look clean, stylish, and professional. Whether you want to add captions, titles, labels, or simple on-screen words, CapCut makes the process easy once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open an existing one if you already have a video ready. The very first thing you want to do is drag your video clip down to the timeline. This is important because your text needs a video layer to sit on top of, and the timeline is where you control exactly when the words appear. Once your clip is on the timeline, you're ready for the text tools. Now look at the top menu bar and find the Text tab. Click on it and then choose Add Text. This creates a new text layer in your project. If you don't see the words immediately on your video, don't worry, because the text box has been added and is ready for editing. This is the main step that lets you begin typing your own words into CapCut. Next, go down to the timeline and double-click the newly created text box. This opens up the editing area, where you can type in whatever words you want to show on screen. You can add a title, a subtitle, a call-out, a quote, a label, or even just a single word for emphasis. Type your text carefully, and once you're done, click away or confirm the text so it stays on your video. After that, it's time to customize the look of your text. On the right-hand panel, you'll see options to change the font, size, color, and more. This is where you can make the text match the style of your video. If you want a bold and modern look, try a strong font and increase the size. If you want something softer or more elegant, choose a different typeface that fits your content better. You can also change the color of the text so it stands out against your background. For example, white text works well on darker footage, while bright colors can help grab attention in energetic videos. If your text blends into the background, use strokes or outlines to make it easier to read. Adding a background can also improve visibility, especially if you're placing words over a busy scene. Take a moment to preview your video and make sure the words appear exactly where you want them. You may want to move the text slightly, resize it, or adjust the timing so it comes in at the right moment. Good text placement can make a big difference in how polished your final edit feels. If needed, you can always go back and fine-tune the text settings until it looks perfect. And that's really all there is to it. By dragging in your clip, going to the Text tab, clicking Add Text, typing your words and customizing the design on the right-hand panel, you can add words in CapCut in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your edits and make your videos more engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and check out the rest of my CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.